Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to connect in YouTube live chat with the Hangout on Air chat. So let's first have a look at the uh, problem that we have. So generally what happens is that if you initiate any YouTube live event, then you have two chat sections. The first one is for all the broadcast viewers that is watching your live event. So they engage through this YouTube live chat box, which is available on the right hand side of this video, of the broadcasted video. And the second one is the default chat app inside the Hangout, which is for the participants in this video call. So what happens is that suppose you are a moderator of any event, then you have to uh, open both the windows simultaneously in order to know what your broadcast what the users are commenting, and what are the messages inside the Hangout. So you have to keep both the windows simultaneously open and move back and forth between these two windows. So if you are a moderator, then you must have found it very difficult to manage. And the second issue is suppose uh, you don't want to separate these two chats and you want to allow all the viewers who are watching your live event, so you want to allow them to directly ask questions to the participants which are available in the Hangout. So suppose you have two speakers or three speakers inside the live event, inside the Hangout on Air, and you want them to see directly the questions that the viewer wanted to ask them. So for that we will use UnifiedChat app to connect both these two chats. So in the previous video we have learned how to install a UnifiedChat app and how to enter into a hangout into a chat room. So we have already set up this in the previous tutorials. Now if you go into the menu section, you will see there is an option to enable YouTube live chat. Once you click that, it will show you three options here. The first one is to read the incoming messages from YouTube. So what it will do is that all the messages which are being posted here by the viewers uh, will be appended here inside this chat room. The second option is if you want only the moderator to post the comment here in this chat room, and for that comment to appear here inside this YouTube live chat also. And the last option is suppose you have shared the this share URL with other users, and some of your users are watching your broadcast through this YouTube live, and some of the users are watching your broadcast through the unified chat interface. So the third option means that if you put it on, then all those users who are connected with using the unified chat interface will also be able to post their comments into this YouTube chat. So let's say we enabled. There is some issue. Let's restart the app. Now you can see all the chat messages which were posted inside this YouTube live chat got appended inside this chat room. So you can see all the messages which are posted in the YouTube live chat will appear here also. And what happens that sometimes it will take a few seconds for the messages to appear here. This is because of the restrictions that the YouTube API has put on its usage, and to limit the exhaustion of those APIs, we have made the polling time to 10 seconds. So that's why it takes sometimes for the messages to appear. Now we have enabled the bidirectional communication when we were enabling the YouTube integration. So now if any user from inside the Hangout, if they post something in the chat message, so as you can see, it appeared in the YouTube chat also. So the communication is bidirectional, means any chat which are posted on the YouTube live chat will come up here inside the Hangout, and any chat which is posted inside the Hangout will come up in the YouTube live chat. And this is optional. While enabling the integration, you can enable or disable this bidirectional feature. And suppose some of your users are connected through the UnifiedChat interface to have a better chat experience and have a clutter-free and clean UI. So you can see it will appear here also. Now before ending the Hangout session, make sure to save this share URL so that you can access this conversation later on whenever you want to go through the chat history. So you save this share URL, and either you put it in the YouTube description box or somewhere private if you want to keep the chat messages private. Now when the broadcast ends, you can go back to the share URL and access all your chat history. As you can see, your entire chat history will be available here. All the users which participated in this conversation will also appear here, the list of entire users. So in this video tutorial, we learned how to connect a YouTube live chat with the Hangout on Air chat, and how to access that chat history later when the Hangout session ends. In the next video tutorial, we will learn how to initiate a private YouTube live stream event, and make the chat available only for the closed user group. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you have any doubts and queries for this particular topic, then comment below in the below comment section, and hope to see you in the next video.